Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, home screen, and now you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like this. This is the theater mode icon, and to enable the mode simply tap on this icon, and sometimes you need to tap on the check mark to confirm. But as you can see, I don't. So if you tap on this icon, the screen should get LUT dimmer. Basically what the theater mode does is it turns your screen LUT dimmer so it doesn't interrupt anything while you're watching, for example, something in cinema. Also turns off the sound notifications, notification vibrations and stuff like that. So basically you won't get the interruptions. Okay, so that's how you enable the mode. You can tell that the mode is enabled by waking up the screen, opening the quick panel, and you can barely see it, but the icon changes the color to orange. It's an orangish color. Okay, and to disable the mode, simply wake up the screen by pressing the side button. And once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and then tap on the theater mode icon to disable it like this. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.